guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today I have some Friendmail from Palettes, Pouts, Perfume and Panning. Now if you're not aware of who Tracy is, this is her channel here. I'm going to put it around here so you can see it. I definitely feel like it's worth you checking her out if you've not already done so. I'm really appreciative that she sent me these goodies, so let's get into it and I'll show you what she sent me. I just need to hide. It comes like it's come all the way from Ireland, so I just hid everything there. And then basically it's come in a plastic bag with a card. So let's open this bag up and see what goodies she's sent me. You guys are just so kind to me, you know. I'm very blessed that you've all been so kind, but your friendship really is truly enough. I really do appreciate it. So we've got the card. Let's look at that first. So it just says to Andrea from Tracy, and that'll be going next to Lisa's. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it says to Andrea, enjoy your lippies, Tracy. Which I'm sure she won't mind me reading out, but yeah, that's really, really nice. So I do keep all my cards from you guys. I mean, I say I keep all my cards. I've been sent, that's my third card that I've been sent now. So I've been sent one from Lisa, Naomi, and Tracy now. Right, so we've got 3 things here. I'm going to show you in order of how you apply them. So first of all, this was what I was the most excited about, and I would have just loved this. You know, it's this lipstick here. It's from Mrs. Glam, and it's one of their Mrs. Kisses lipstick. It's in the shade Cherry Toy, and Tracy got it, I think, for her birthday, and I was like, that's an amazing colour. And yeah, that's what it looks like. I mean, I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up, but it's got like glitter here, gold packaging, Mrs. Kisses, looks like that, but when you roll the bullet up, it's got kisses all over it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I'm going to insert a picture. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I can't tell if that's matte. I think it might be. I'm not too sure. But it looks absolutely gorgeous. Shall I do swatches on my hand? And we'll do a try on with these soon. So I'm just going to do a little swatch of everything that she sent me. No, it's got a shine to it, so it's a cream. Really pretty though. Oh my gosh, it smells. It smells of cherries. If that doesn't smell of cherry, I don't know what it smells of, but I'm getting a cherry scent off it. Oh, very nice. Right, lip liner time. So that was called Cherry Toy. I think I told you that. This one's called Cherry Kiss. I don't normally wear lip liner, but I'm definitely gonna try and be more mindful of wearing it, because lipstick does last longer with lip liner on it. And look at that packaging, guys. That is absolutely stunning. That's Instagram worthy, is it not? Right, let's... I don't think I've had lip kits since I ordered Kylie's lip kits many years ago when they were all a thing. So it's nice to have another one. So that's a lipstick to match it. Sorry, that's the lip liner to match it there. And then we've got one more item, which is the Mrs. Kisses lip gloss. And then this one is cherry on top. And similarly, I don't always wear lip gloss. But yeah, I do need to try it. That's it there. It's a beautiful colour. Look how vibrant that is. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Tracy. I really do appreciate this lovely gift. It was a lovely gesture. Really nice. And the lip gloss smells as well. It smells really sweet. So I can only imagine it does smell of cherries. But But yeah, I really do appreciate you sending me that lovely gift. It will be, I think I'll bring it into my shop, my stash. I'm planning on doing it on Monday. Hopefully I can get this video up in the next couple of days of me filming it, because when I'm filming Friendmail videos, I like to get them on the channel as soon as possible, so hopefully it'll go up in the next couple of days. Yeah, so thank you so much for sending it to me. I really do appreciate it. If you're not following Tracy, please go over to Pouts Perfume in Panning. She's lovely. She will welcome you into her little fam. I'll leave all Tracy's information. Tracy's channel I'll leave in the cards, so it's easy for you to head over to her channel. So we'll conclude the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.